In front of me is LENOVO Tab K11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll a tiny bit to click on this section called Sound and Vibration. Now scroll until you see Vibration and Haptics. Tap on it and use this switcher at the top right next to Use Vibration and Haptics to switch them on or turn them off. If you decided to enable them, check out all of those switches next to all of those features to enable or disable haptic feedback for them. First, ring vibration. If you decided to enable this one, you can also enable vibrate first, then ring gradually. Notification vibration, alarm vibration, touch feedback, and media. When you're done with all of those, go back. Most people miss though that you can also tap on other sounds and use this switcher next to charging sounds and vibration to enable or disable this option as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!